Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of your print screen key launching the snipping tool every time you press it, you're not alone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to stop that behavior in just a few clicks, whether you're on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Let's get right into it. First, go ahead and click on the Start menu and then select the Settings icon, or just press Windows key plus I to open it directly. In the Settings window, click on Accessibility from the sidebar. Now scroll down and click on Keyboard under the Interaction section. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the Use the Print Screen key to open Snipping Tool option. Simply turn this switch off. That's it. From now on, pressing print screen will no longer launch the snipping tool. If you want the print screen key to behave like it used to, just taking a screenshot and copying it to your clipboard, it will now do exactly that. You can then paste it into Paint, Word, or any image editor. And that's how easy it is to take back control of your print screen key. If this video helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more quick Windows tips, and drop a comment if you have any other annoying defaults you'd like to fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.